The geese need to keep a safe distance. But with the water level dropping and a hot herd, that becomes difficult. They know better than to react to a bully. So she decides to save face by taking it out on a dove. Once again, Stephen's left it late, and he's left behind. And this time, he is lost. For Tortoise, life is looking up. A female has come down to drink. Stephen has never seen such creatures before. But he's going to have to get streetwise if he's to stand any chance of being reunited with his family. From being last and late, Stephen has progressed to being lost and lucky.